Bismillah, in this lesson, we'll explain what is the meaning of correlation. We can start with this question. The owner of a small cafe records the average air temperature and the number of hot drinks he sells each day for a week. When the air temperature 18 Celsius, number of hot drink 12. Then same, air temperature 23, number of hot drink salt 8. So and so on. 19, 13, 23, 10, 24, 9, 25, 7, 20, 12. To study the relation between the air temperature and the number of hot drinks, we can represent the air temperature on x-axis and the number of hot drink in y-axis. The first point, 18 and 12. 18 and 12, so 18 and 12. Go up till 12. So this is the first point. The second point, 23 and 8. 23 and 8. 23 and 8. 23, 8. The third point, 19, 13. 19 and 13. 13. 19, 13. Next point, 23, 10. 23 and 10. 23 and 10. Twenty-four and 9. 24 and 9. 24 and 9. Then 25, 7. 25, 7. 25, 7. 25, 7. The last point, 20 and 12. 20 and 12. 20 and 12. 20 and 12. Look for the points. These points, when the temperature increases, the number of hot drinks sold decrease. This type of relation is called negative correlation. When x increase and y decrease, x increase and y decrease, if the points goes down like that, this is called negative correlation. Negative correlation. So we have negative relation between the air temperature and the number of hot drinks sold. This is how to find the relation between two variables. Represent them on scatter plot. This is called scatter plot or correlation. So correlation is used to define the relationship between two variables. For example, spent running and body fat, temperature and ice cream sales, and so on. Actually, we have three correlations. Positive correlation. In the positive correlation, you will find the points like that, from left to right, go up. In the negative correlation, the points from left to right go down. The points are not going up or down, so no correlation in this case. And if we have positive correlation or negative correlation, we can draw a line between the points such that the number of points above the line is the same like the number of points below the line, This line is called the line of best fit. The line of best fit. If we go back to the previous question, we can draw the line of the best fit. The line between the points, and we try to have the same number of points above the line and below the line. So this is the line of the best fit. Now we can practice. Number 1. The scatter diagram shows the marks obtained in mathematics test and the marks obtained in English test by 15 students. Describe the correlation. We need to describe the correlation. The point from left to right goes down. So this negative correlation. Negative correlation. So we have negative correlation. Next question. The mean for the mathematics test is 47.3 and the mean for English test is 30.3. Plot the mean point 47 and 30.3 on the scatter diagram. So we need to plot this point on the scatter diagram. So 47 for math and 30.3 for English. So to plot this point, so now represent the point 47 and 30. 47, this 40, so 47, 7 lines after 40, then go up till 30, so this is the point, 47 and 30, this is the point. Now next question. Draw the line of the best fit on the diagram above. So we need to draw the line of the best fit now. Use a ruler. If a transparent ruler, it's better. This is the line of the best fit. We have 7 points above the line and 8 points below the line. This is the line of the best fit. Now see double I. One student missed the English test. She received 45 marks in mathematics test. Use the line of the best fit. Use your line to estimate the mark she might have gained in the English test. So she received 45 in math. So we can use the graph to predict her English mark. From 45 on the horizontal line, go up from 45 till you reach the line. Then now you can predict the English mark. The English mark 32. So 32, this is the estimate for the English mark. So 32 for English.